You were going to talk about
Sean.
Sean.
I got up because Sean was giving a paper and a presentation was related to our book. So I got up and said, look, I did about 37% of this book. And Sean did, most of the rest. And I read everything and I gave him feedback. But, Sean came in part of the book, 200 examples of different kinds of ecology. Yeah, a paragraph on each. I mean, it's totally over the top. But one time I sent him an email and said, hey, Sean, you can just list some of those. You don't actually have to fill in the dots about all of them, plus bibliography, but, you pushed ahead with it. So Sean wrote a dissertation on this topic. And so he was totally, really psyched about it, had a tremendous amount of information and insight. He's very good with graphs, and he's got a lot of great exercises in here to develop a kind of an ecological consciousness. So, I much admire him, and it was a great experience working with him. We were both totally responsible, always on time. I couldn't believe it. It was like a dream to find a writing partner who was so totally, on board. Because so when I got into this, I didn't know Sean all that well. I didn't know what to expect. Have any of you worked on a project like in college with somebody else, or in some other setting like at work, and you have people that let you down and don't keep their deadlines, and your raise or job depends on it? Well, I didn't have any of those problems. It was great.